Hey guys, how are you? Hope you enjoyed your Easter break. Miss Johnson here, back with some math. So last time we left off on shapes. We learned about different shapes, how they have vertices when two ends meet. We've learned that shapes have straight edges, which we call sides. And the last thing we left off on was composite shapes, when two or more shapes are put together like so. Let me show you with my phone shape. Here I have I was about to say rectangle. Here I have a square, triangle, put it together. Guess what? I got myself a composite shape because I have two shapes. Their sides are put together and it created a new shape, which I would like to call a composite shape. And I can keep doing this and adding more shapes, as many different ones as I want, as long as I connect it to the sides to create more new shapes. I can put it up here instead, and that'll make another cool shape. And this again is called a composite shape, when two or more shapes are put together. So today, what we're going to do is think of all the things we've learned so far about shapes, and these are our two-dimensional shapes, and we are going to compare them. So if I wanted to compare two shapes, I would just simply look at the shape's attributes. So this is a rectangle and this is a triangle. I want to compare, I want to talk about the differences and similarities about the shape. One difference that I see is a triangle has three vertices, one, two, three, and a square has four vertices, one, two, three, four. That's one difference. Another difference that I can compare the two with is that a triangle, I keep wanting to say, oh my God, Miss Johnson, a rect, Easter break really got me all jumbled up. Last chance, Miss Johnson, get it together. A square, a square has four sides, one, two, three, four, and a triangle has three sides, one, two, three. So what I just did is I compared the two shapes. I can also say, just judging off of this one's red and this one's blue. Let me do another shape. Here I have a square and a rectangle. Both are similar because they both have four sides. They both have four vertices. A difference that I noticed is that on a square, it has four equal sides, which means all the sides are the same length, where on a rectangle, there are only two equal sides, right here, and then these two are equal. But that is the difference. So I just compared my rectangle and my square. And one more comparison. I will compare my triangle with my hexagon. My hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. My triangle has 3 vertices. Put it next to my picture. So my triangle has 3 vertices. My hexagon has 6 vertices. So that's one way to compare them. One more way to compare them is my hexagon has 6 equal sides. My triangle only has 3 equal sides. So again, this is called comparing shapes, two-dimensional shapes. So what I'm going to do now on my board is I'm going to draw a couple shapes. And I'm going to, let me finish drawing them. There. So here on my board, I have a square, rectangle, circle, rhombus, and triangle. And now I'm going to say and ask to circle the shapes that have 4 sides. So right now, just looking at my whiteboard, see if you can just point them out. I'll give you a second to point out which ones you think all have 4 sides. Okay, now I'm going to circle all the shapes that have four sides. A rectangle has four sides, a square has four sides, and a rhombus has four sides. So these three shapes all have four sides. The triangle and the circle do not have four sides. Circles have no sides, and a triangle has three sides. So that's one way that I was able to put them together by similarities and also compare the two. Let's do one more. Okay, so can I circle two or more shapes that have the same number of sides? I'm going to circle this one and this one. Now they happen to be the same because they have four sides, but I also could have said, can you circle any shapes that have more than three sides? And I would have circled this one as well. So that's another way that I can put them in the same category, but also compare to see they are different. So that's what you're going to be doing today. You will not have a splash math assignment. You will just be doing a worksheet from our workbook comparing different shapes based off of their vertices and their sides and how they are similar and different. All right, guys, glad to be back, and I'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.